Hello guys. Today, we are going to cover 5 best towel warmers in the market, which are the best for you considering some valid reasons that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Zadro TWB Towel Warmer. The Zadro TWB Towel Warmer is the perfect addition to any bathroom. Whether you want to keep your towels warm and dry after a relaxing shower or just want a luxurious spa experience, the Zadro TWB Towel Warmer has you covered. This towel warmer features a sleek and modern design that fits in any bathroom. The internal heating element warms up to 2 towels in just 20 minutes, while the adjustable thermostat ensures your towels are the perfect temperature. The Zadro TWB Towel Warmer also features a timer to shut off after a designated amount of time and a safety shut-off feature that activates if the unit gets too hot. With the Zadro TWB Towel Warmer, you can enjoy a warm, cozy towel after every shower. Pros: quick and even warming of towels. Internal temperature sensor for automatic shut-off. Large capacity for multiple towels. Convenient wall-mounted design. Cons: expensive compared to other towel warmers. No timer for automatic shut-off. No built-in light to indicate when warmers are on. Number 2. Our second best pick is StateRiver Mini Professional Personal Care Towel Heater and Towel Steamer. The StateRiver Mini Professional Personal Care Towel Heater and Towel Steamer is a must-have for any spa or salon. This highly efficient and versatile device is perfect for hygienically heating and steaming towels to a luxurious warmth. It features an adjustable temperature control and a built-in timer to ensure that towels are heated and steamed just right. Plus, its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to store and transport. The StateRiver Mini Professional Personal Care Towel Heater and Towel Steamer is the perfect way to pamper and relax your customers with a luxurious warm towel. Pros: compact size for easy storage. Produces hot and steamy towels for a spa-like experience. Heats up quickly and evenly. Low energy consumption. Portable and lightweight. Cons: expensive. Limited capacity for towels. May take a long time to heat up and steam towels. Number 3. Our third best pick is StateRiver Spa Hot Towel Warmer. This StateRiver Spa Hot Towel Warmer is perfect for any spa or salon that needs to keep towels warm and ready to use. This large-size 18-liter towel warmer can hold up to 24 towels at once and features a thermostat that allows you to set the temperature to your desired level. It also has a timer so you can set it to shut off after a certain amount of time. The stainless steel construction ensures durability and easy cleaning. With its sleek and modern design, this towel warmer will fit nicely into any professional spa setting. Get the StateRiver Spa Hot Towel Warmer today and keep your towels warm and ready for use. Pros: heats towels quickly and evenly. Large size can accommodate up to 18 liters of towels. Compact design takes up minimal space. Automatically shuts off when temperature is reached. Includes a removable shelf for easy cleaning. Cons: expensive. Not suitable for large families. Towels may become too hot to handle. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Amba RWHCB Radiant Hardwired Curved Towel Warmer. This Amba RWHCB Radiant Hardwired Curved Towel Warmer is the perfect addition to any bathroom. Equipped with 10 bars, this towel warmer is designed to provide a luxurious, comforting experience as you wrap yourself up in warm and cozy towels. The curved shape makes it easy to store multiple towels on the same bar, and the hardwired installation makes for a secure and reliable heating system. With a stainless steel finish, this towel warmer is sure to look great in any home. It also comes with a built-in timer and adjustable temperature settings, allowing you to customize your towel warming experience. With its elegant and functional design, the Amba RWHCB Radiant Hardwired Curved Towel Warmer is the perfect way to add a touch of luxury to your bathroom. Pros: easy to install, fast heat-up time. Curved design is stylish and modern. Heats towels quickly and evenly. Includes a built-in timer for energy efficiency. Low-profile design saves space. Cons: must be hardwired into the electrical system. Expensive compared to other models. Requires professional installation for safety reasons. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Dermalogic Towel Steamer. The Dermalogic Towel Steamer 120 professional equipment for massage, spa center, barber, beauty, nail salon is a top-of-the-line professional towel steamer. This steamer is perfect for spas, salons, and barbershops that need to keep their towels clean and free of bacteria. The large capacity and adjustable thermostat allows you to steam multiple towels at once. It also features a stainless steel reservoir and a powerful heating element that quickly and efficiently steams towels. The steamer is designed to provide maximum safety with its automatic shut-off function. This steamer is an essential tool for any professional spa, salon, or barbershop. Pros: can be used for a variety of spa and salon treatments, such as massages, facials, haircuts, and nail care. Features a 120-minute timer for efficient use of time. Includes adjustable temperature settings for a customized experience. Lightweight and portable for easy storage and transport. Professional grade for enhanced durability. Cons: requires a power outlet for use. Can be expensive for some budgets. Not suitable for all types of treatments, such as waxing and electrolysis. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback. Have a great day!